Today, I'm going to show you the tune that changed everything for me as a guitar player and really sold me to the country style. And that's The Claw by Jerry Reed. This tune is one of the most iconic guitar riffs to ever be written. If you're looking to expand on your technique, hybrid picking, knowledge of double stops and general vocabulary in the country style, this tune is for you. We're starting on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. We play this note twice and then slide up to fret 6. We're then going to go fret 5 and 7 on string 2 and then play 3 double stops. The first one is going to be on the 5th fret of strings 1 and 2, then fret 5 string 1, fret 4 string 2, then fret 7 of strings 2 and 3, then you're going to roll the 3rd finger up to fret 7 string 4, then another double stop on the 5th fret of strings 2 and 3, and then pick fret 6 string 3. All together. Now let's pick fret 7 string 4 and open string 5. Then we're going to play 2 double stops. The first one is fret 4 of string 4 and fret 5 of string 3. The next one is fret 2 of strings 3 and 2. Then we're going to pull off from the 5th fret to the 2nd fret on string 4 and then play open 5. All together that sounds like this. Then we're going to play a double stop on the 1st fret string 4 and 2nd fret string 3 and then open 5. Then release the 1st finger, play strings 4 and 3 followed by open 5 again. Then 4 and 3 again. Then pull off of the 3rd fret string 5 and then open string 6, 2nd fret string 6, open 5, 2nd fret 5, pull off. Then we're going to pull off from fret 3 to fret 2 on string 5 and then pull off to the open string 5. Then we're going to pick fret 2 string 6 and pull off to the open string 6. The intro altogether sounds like this. I'm now going to break down the picking on the right hand, which combines both pick and fingers. So it goes like this: down, down, up, down, pluck. So I'm plucking the double stops with my middle and 3rd finger. Pluck, pluck, down, pluck, up, down, down, pluck, pluck, down, pull, down, pluck, down, pluck, down, pluck, down, pull, down, 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 pull, down, pull, down, pull. Alright, now for the main riff. So we're starting in an A7 chord, which is our 1st finger placed on the 2nd fret string 4 and our middle finger placed on the 2nd fret string 2. What we do is we play string 5, 4 and then pluck strings 3 and 2. Then we're going to play open string 6 and 5 and then a double stop on fret 4 of string 4 and fret 5 of string 3. We pluck those two together. All together. Then we play the 3rd fret string 6 and then the 2nd fret string 4. Then we're going to pick strings 5, 3 and 2 back into A7. Then we're going to pick the 2nd fret string 4, go to the 3rd fret string 5, pull off to the 2nd fret, and then the open 5th string. So we're going pick, pull, pull, and then pull off from the 2nd fret string 6 to open string 6. So that initial part is you play that twice, so and then before going into the next chord, play the same little lick but 1 string below, so starting on the 2nd fret string 3, and then pull off 3rd fret, 2nd fret and open string on the 4th string, and then 2nd fret to open string on the 5th string. Then we're going to go into D7, 1st fret string 2, 2nd fret string 3, 2nd fret string 1. Play 4, 3, and then pluck strings 2 and 1. Then play open strings 5 and 4. Release the 3rd finger and bring the 1st finger down 1 string and pluck strings 2 and 1. 4, 3, pluck, 5, 4, pluck. Then you're going to play the 3rd fret string 5 and 2nd fret string 3. Then back into D7 playing strings 4, 2 and 1. Up to that point. Play the first little lick again, and then we're going to go back into A7. Then we play the first lick again, but we don't pull off of the 2nd fret string 6. We just play that note, and then we're going to go into E7. So there, E7 is the 1st fret string 3, 2nd fret 5. We play 6, 5, pluck 3 and 2. Then the little finger goes up to the 4th fret, bit of a stretch, 4th fret string 6, and we play 6, 5, and pluck strings 3 and 2 again. And then we're going to play string 5. So 6, 5, pluck, 6, 5, pluck, 5. And remember, we're plucking on strings 3 and 2. All together. So then we play a D5 chord, that's the 2nd fret string 3 and 3rd fret string 2. We're going to pluck strings 4, 3 and 2 together. Then we have this cool double stop lick we play, which is starting on the 5th fret strings 1 and 2. Then fret 7 strings 3 and 2. Roll up to the 4th string, fret 7. And then a double stop on fret 5, strings 3 and 2. And then pick fret 6 on string 3. Then we're going to go back into A7, play the riff there, and then 1 strum on E7. So that last part. From the top, this is how it all sounds. Firstly, I want to congratulate you for getting to the end of this tutorial, as this tune is no easy task. Secondly, thank you for tuning in today, and if there's any other tutorials you feel would benefit your playing, don't forget to leave a comment below. As always, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.